Hello and welcome to this next tutorial of shell programming. So in this tutorial we will understand the case statement in shell programming. In previous tutorial we have studied the if-else statement. So there are limitations to use if-else statements, nested if-else statements. So we can nest, but it is not a standard way of nesting if-else so many times. It will increase the complexity of the program. So the statement which is supporting for the nested if-else is a case statement, like a switch statement you write in a C programming. Similarly, there is a case statement in a shell scripting. So we will understand this shell script case statement in shell scripting with the help of the example. Okay, now from this lecture onwards, I am going to use the VS Code for writing the code, because VS Code is the one of the most powerful editor nowadays used everywhere in the industry and everywhere. So I am going to use this VS Code. So I will create one file. Let us say switch or case demo .sh. Okay, then we will add shebang constructor and some comments to this program. So it is very easy to use VS Code. So here I will just change this name to switch demo, case demo. Okay, for example, say if you want if you want to talk with the system, then let us say system is asking for talk with me. Then you will read, system will read your message in some variable as a message. Okay, now depending on what you are typing, for example, say if you are typing hi, then system will say hi, how are you? If you are typing bye, then system will say bye, have a nice day. And if you type some random text, then the machine will not understand that text. That kind of the case statement that we want to make. So syntax for writing case is case, and end of the case is like. As I have told you, there are no brackets in shell scripting. So there are statements used for starting the loops or statements and ending the statement. Like if was started with the keyword as if, then and it was ended with fi, that is the reverse of if. Similarly, case starts with case statement and ends with the reverse of case, that is exec. So now first case that we want to write is if user is typing hi. So syntax is like this: hi and round bracket. Okay, so if the user is saying hi, then system will say echo hi, how are you? Okay, so in C programming we write break to end the case. So here this task is done by double semicolon. So this double semicolon is equivalent of break, and this is the equal syntax as you can see to write a case. Okay, then next case, let us say bye, user is typing bye. Then what system will say echo bye, have a nice day. Okay, so we can't use each and every word and type the reply. So instead of that, if user is typing some random text, then we will write a default case here. So default star means it is a default case. So apart from hi and bye, if user types the random text, then the system will say echo I don't understand you. Okay, so this is the simple program that we have written by using the case statement, case and exec statement. Okay, so let us save this program. Okay, this case we have not end it with double semicolon. Save this program and try to run. by using bash. So this bash you can install in Windows also. So there is no requirement of running shell script in Linux only, but Linux is the standard way of executing the shell script. Here just we are programming, so that's why we have preferred to use VS Code and bash shell in Windows. You can do the same in the Linux. Okay, so command to run your program is /case demo.sh. So system is saying talk with me, I will say hi. So there is some error here, syntax error near expected token, new line on line number 10. Okay, let us check what is that error. So here we have a written case, but we have not used the variable. So syntax message in. So this is the proper syntax now. Case variable name on which the control will switch to. So if your user is saying hi, that value will be saved in message, and that value we are using to switch the control. Okay. So this statement is case $message in. Okay, save that program and try to execute again. Talk with me. Hi. System is saying hi. How are you? Then again I will run. Let us type by. System is saying have a nice day. Then I will say who. First execute the program. Who are you? The system is not understanding, so it is printing the default message. I don't understand you. Okay, so let us say idiot. So it is saying I don't understand you. So if the random text is typed other than hi and bye, it will just print I don't understand you. So this is the use of case statement here. And now if you observe in this, we are running every time to get the output. So this is not live chat like application. So what is required or what is missing here in this program, so that you are not required to execute the program again and again. So program should continue here to read messages. So that's why we will require this particular part to be written in some loop. So whenever the loop is continued, at that time the program will execute. Okay, so that we can do with the help of a loops. So in next lecture we will understand the different shell loops used inside the shell scripting. So thank you.